Let's tour English. Mastering vocabulary for guided tours. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to visit an exciting part of the English language, travel vocabulary. Specifically, we'll dive into the sightseeing segment, focusing on the fascinating world of guided tours. So, pack your vocabulary suitcase and let's set off. A guided tour is a tour in which a guide leads the group and provides information about the places being visited. The person leading the tour is usually called a tour guide. They are skilled in sharing historical facts, stories, and insights about the locations. Some common phrases and words related to guided tours are historical sites, places that have a significant historical value or context. Museum tour, a tour led within a museum, usually by a knowledgeable guide. Walking tour, a tour where the participants go around on foot. Bus tour, a tour taken in a bus that drives around different locations. If you are participating in a guided tour, you might need some specific phrases. Let's go through some of them. Could you speak a bit slower, please? If you're having trouble understanding the guide, this phrase can be used. Could you repeat that, please? If you didn't catch something the guide said. What time does the tour start? This can be used when you're asking about the beginning of the tour. How long does the tour last? To know about the duration of the tour. Is there a break during the tour? If you're wondering whether there's a pause in between. If you're playing the role of a tour guide, there are certain phrases and words you'd commonly use. Let's learn some. Welcome to the tour, a phrase to greet your tour participants. Over here, we have, when pointing out specific sites or objects of interest. Let's move on to, when guiding the group from one point of interest to another. If you look to your left, right, to direct participants' attention to a specific direction. Does anyone have any questions? To engage with your tour participants and answer their queries. Well, that brings us to the end of our tour around the vocabulary of guided tours. Remember, the best way to learn and remember these new terms and phrases is by using them in context, either in your writing or in conversations. Practice is always the key to mastering a language. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for our next English learning journey. Happy learning, and see you next time.